Alright, chat. So basically, I found this paper boat just like in the floor, like in class, in math. I was obviously failing in there. So I looked up, um, what was I looking up? I'm not typing it out, but I looked up how to make a paper boat, and because I really wanted to know. And basically, I was like, I found out, I was just watching some tutorials, right? I don't know why I clicked the yellow one out of all of them, but still. So then I decided to look up what is the biggest paper boat, right? Because I've never seen like a paper boat, like the biggest paper boat, right? But I saw that like this is not like, it is paper, but like not paper, like like paper, like from notebook, like paper, like paper. Yeah, like, cause this is just like big paper, like it's not actual paper notebook, So now I'm the first person to actually ever do a paper one, like paper, like actual paper. Ignore that. So put it on the ground for some reason, but my only problem was that it was like windy, like it was like a tornado going on. I forgot what it was, something about Hilton, but it don't matter. We just got to thug it out. I'm not gonna lie. So obviously I needed tape because this was not gonna work. This was not gonna work without tape. Ignore that car. I need to really get it. I need to get a studio. Jesus. But yeah. What was I even talking about? Oh yeah, the boat. Yeah, just flip. I'm pretty sure I was trying to flip it over. Here's a burger, and I think this is the first one still. I think I'm still talking about like putting in the third one, right? The third page, yeah, third paper. And no, this is the second one. What? I think this is the third one, right? But this is really confusing. Why is there a raccoon there? I have no idea. What? Why is he laying on my paper? It don't matter. Just gonna thug it out still. And now we finally got the 3. I put him up on the rows like that for some reason. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to take him up, right? Why is there another burger? Oh yeah, right here. I did not watch the tutorial, but I'm for real. I was supposed to flip it over first and then do that. And I'm pretty sure this is when I start to figure out, right? No, not yet. No. Right here, yeah, right here is right when I start to figure it out. Yeah, I was crashing out in the actual recording. It's because it was really windy, so I had to voice over it. But like now, this is where I really have to just fold it out now. Right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I have to rewatch the tutorial mid making, man. Come on, bro. Why am I not cutting it out yet, bro? Oh yeah, this is like 3 minutes. I tried to do this for like 3 minutes with my hands. So let me just speed it up, man. Hold on. Alright, there we go. This is technically also the world's biggest paper hat, if you really think about it. Because no one else has really done it with paper. They've done it with like big paper, but like not actual paper notebook, And no, I'm not changing the title to paper notebook, alright? And I think this is the same thing. I try to do it with one hand. I have no idea why. Can I stop trying to do it with one hand, bro? I'm not gonna do it. Okay, there we go. Finally do it. Now I gotta do the other side. Why didn't I just do both sides at the same time? I have no idea. I literally just filmed myself just folding, just turning it around. I'm still trying to do it. Just no, bro. Why didn't I just cut it out right here, bro? I don't get it. Just bro. I swear if there's another donut in like 2 seconds, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my. Okay, there we go. So I just cut it out, the whole thing, because I was just trying to do it the whole time. Here's the grand opening. y'all not gonna get the whole thing. There we go. So yeah, this is the world's biggest boat. It is approximately like 2 feet. I'm just joking with y'all. This is probably like 1 feet, like tall. I don't know. Yeah. So basically, I wanted to actually I wanted to put it in the water to make sure it floats. Don't ask where I got the water pond at. We don't talk about that. So like, I was really like shocked that it actually like, it could actually like float. Cause like someone can actually ride this thing from here for real, like a baby or something. But I just wanted to make sure if it's waterproof. So it just started to rain out of nowhere, and I accidentally ended up like stepping on it, and like, dude, the boat was just destroyed. I was really like sad, bro. Like, dude, like I spent like probably like 15 minutes making this, dude. For some reason, I blame the raccoon. I don't know why, but it was really shocking, man. There was just a hole in it. This is worse than the Titanic, bro. I'm telling you. But yeah, man, I had to end up picking up all the papers that like flew out because of the air, bro. Yeah, like I cut out so much like recording, bro. It was insane, bro.